August remains a busy month in the garden. There are still summer crops to sow, plants to nurture, and plenty of tasks to keep your garden looking its best. August is also the perfect time to start planning and or sowing crops for autumn and winter, as well as prepare for next spring. Here's a guide tailored for UK gardeners to make the most of this abundant month. Seed sowing. Lettuce and salad leaves. Start fresh batches of lettuce, mitsula and rocket for continued harvest. Spring cabbage. Sow now for planting out in autumn. Winter herbs. Sow chives, parsley and coriander to grow indoors during the cooler months to provide a fresh supply for the kitchen. Spinach. Sow hardy varieties for autumn harvest. Try Giant Winter, Perpetual or Apollo. Radishes. Quick growing and perfect for adding in the cooler and more shady areas of the garden during the height of summer temperatures. Turnips. Start sowing early varieties for small sweet roots. Purple top Milan, Tokyo Cross and Snowball are popular varieties known for their disease resistance and quick growth. Pak Choi. Ideal for cooler weather sowing, try growing Canton Dwarf or Yoro Kobe. Wildflowers. Scatter seeds in empty areas to establish a pollinator-friendly patch for next spring. Vegetables. Tomatoes and peppers. Continue harvesting ripe fruits and remove lower leaves to improve airflow. Continue feeding with a high potash fertilizer. Cucumbers. Pick regularly to encourage more fruiting. Beans. Keep harvesting French and runner beans to maintain production. Sweet corn. Check cobs for ripeness. They're ready when the kernels release a milky liquid when pressed. Courgettes. Pick regularly to avoid oversized fruits that can slow down production. Fruit trees. Supports. Apples, pears and plums may be ripening now. Support branches laden with heavy fruit. Mulching. Apply mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. General garden tasks. Weeding. Remove weeds before they go to seed. Watering. Keep pots and newly planted crops hydrated, especially during dry spells. Pruning and deadheading. Trim summer flowering shrubs once blooms have faded. Remove spent flowers from bedding plants and perennials. Wildlife care. Bird feeders. Refill feeders and clean bird baths regularly. Pollinator plants. Keep flowering plants like lavender and echinacea thriving for bees and butterflies. Pond maintenance. Top up water levels and remove debris. Planning ahead. Seed saving. Collect seeds from flowers and vegetables for next year. Preparing garden beds. Clear finished crops and add compost or manure to improve soil for autumn sowings. Bulbs. Start planning and ordering spring flowering bulbs such as daffodils and crocuses. Start ordering autumn flowering bulbs such as saffron crocus as soon as possible before stocks run out. Stay on top of maintenance, enjoy the fruits of your labour and plan for the months ahead. With a little effort, your garden will continue to thrive. Happy gardening!